Good afternoon and welcome to Arcadia Lite. So if you're in the market to buy a home out here in Phoenix, Arizona, and you're looking to be in an incredible location close to Camelback Mountain, Scottsdale, lots of shopping, events always going on, this could be the home for you. And if you haven't done so already, please make sure you like, subscribe, follow my channel. We are always out here in the valley showing you these gorgeous homes, beautiful listings. That could be yours. So if you're in the market to buy a home, this one right here is a 3-bedroom, 4-bath with a pool, open floor plan. And again, it's location, location, location on this one. So we're going to take a walk on through. And if you have questions, please make sure you comment, share this video with family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe. So this amazing home is a 3-bedroom, 4-bathroom, gorgeous curb appeal. Look at this driveway. You have this amazing curved driveway right here, which goes all the way to the 2-car garage side. Can never have enough parking out here in beautiful Arizona. So if you're in the market to buy a home and you want to be in a great location where values are always going up, it's a pretty prime area. You're close to Camelback Mountain, downtown Scottsdale, and you have easy access to the Phoenix Sky Harbor Airport. So location is key on this one. It's a great home, just over 3,300 square feet. The lot on this bad boy is about 12,197, so you get a good sized lot. The homeowners did a great job. It has an oversized master suite with his and her closet. There's a spa shower. Kitchen's been beautifully updated. There's a large front patio right here, which this will be great for trick-or-treating, holiday events. You have tall cathedral ceilings here. And again, it's a great location, great place to call home. And I must say, if you haven't done so already, please make sure you like, subscribe, and follow my channel. We are constantly posting these amazing homes all week long, 3 days a week. Angela Dansereau, home tours, baby. This is what we do. We love to help people relocate from out of state, making it super easy. And as we walk through, this home right here has this very large open floor plan. So there is enough room in this area to do what you need to do. So here we go. You have this gorgeous, large chef gourmet kitchen. So there's a ton of cabinet space. You have your built-in fridge. Pretty move-in ready. Great home right here. And as we walk on through this way, we are going to check out the master bedroom. Delete this part out, Kayla. Please hold. Okay. So as we take a walk on through, we're going to show you this amazing split floor plan. So you have this large family room over here. I mean, you could easily put a projector down here, turn this into a theater section, a game room. There is a lot of space on here to be very creative. And again, very open. This home just hit the market. Originally built in 1963. Homeowners went in and updated everything so that you didn't have to. As you walk on this way, you have a very private, large master suite. You have your little wine bar in here, Nice cathedral ceilings. You have access to the pool. So this is a great home right here. Great opportunity out in Phoenix. And location, we're in an area called Arcadia Lite out in Phoenix. It's a trendy neighborhood known for charm, dining, and community feel. So if that sounds like something that you would be interested in, this could be the home for you. So right here we have a very large bathroom. You have his and her sinks over here, along with a large closet. So this primary does have 2 walk-in closets. So lots of storage. You have this very large stand-up shower. I mean, I've never seen a shower head that big before. As you walk through here, we're gonna walk to this side where you have a large soak-in tub. So they did everything big. This is super deep, super big tub, super large shower. And you do have another sink over here. So this would be his, that would be hers. Space for everybody. And your second closet. So this home has it all. You have your private throne right here. And again, this home just hit the market out here in beautiful Phoenix, Arizona. So if you're in the market to buy a home, looking for a single story, lots of bathrooms, 3-bedroom, 4-bathroom. And this home is under $2 million, so it's still pretty affordable for the location. Come back this way. You do have your laundry set up over here, which is nice. So again, a pretty good sized room. And you have your guest half bath right here. And of course, a very good sized 2-car garage. So they did do the floors over. You have soft water. Tankless hot water heater, which is wonderful. And of course, there's an electric car charger. So everything's pretty much done, ready for you to move in. We'll head this way to the secondary bedrooms. And we do have a private den up front. So you have a den space right here. All right, so here is one of the secondary bathrooms. You have a large stand-up shower. And another good-sized bedroom. So again, 3 bedrooms, office, open layout, Arcadia Lite. This one has the ensuite in it, which is nice. And then we'll take a look at outside. So you get the super slider out here, so you can bring the outside in when you're entertaining. That's great when the football games are going on this time of year. And you have a very nice covered patio. Lots of privacy. pool, so the backyard is definitely made for entertaining. And it's pretty private. Back there you got the alley, and houses are kind of a road away, so you get a lot of privacy on this one. And again, if you're looking for a great location, looking for an affordable home out here in Arcadia area, or if you just have questions on how to start the home search for yourself, if you're looking for a different area or a different type of home, my team's always here to help. We help home buyers and home sellers throughout the valley, so we're very knowledgeable to know where to look for you, how to find you the best deal. And again, if you love what you're seeing right now, shoot a comment below. I'll get you the home's details, get you scheduled for a home tour, or even just answer questions that you might have. All right, well, thank you so much for watching our tour out here in Arcadia Lite. Please feel free to reach out, and I hope you have an awesome day.